In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Penpot outline stroke. To get started, first select the shape or vector path you want to edit directly on the canvas. This is important because Penpot only shows the relevant styling options for the object you currently have selected. If nothing is selected, the stroke controls won't be available, so make sure the correct element is active before moving on. Next, look over to the design sidebar on the right side of the screen. This is where Penpot keeps most of the appearance controls for your selected object. In that panel, scroll down until you find the stroke section. Once you see it, click the plus icon to add a stroke. As soon as you do that, Penpot will apply an outline to the selected shape or path, and you'll be able to customize how it looks. Now you can set the stroke properties. Start with the size or thickness and adjust the pixel value to control how bold the outline appears. For example, a smaller value like 1 pixel creates a subtle border, while something like 5 pixels gives you a much stronger outline. This is a good setting to tweak depending on how prominent you want the shape to look in your design. After that, choose the stroke color by clicking the color swatch. This opens the color picker where you can visually select a color, or you can type in a hex color code if you need a more exact result. This is especially useful when you're trying to match a brand color or keep your design consistent. Finally, open the Advanced Stroke drop-down settings to adjust the alignment. You can choose Center, which places the stroke evenly along the path and is the default for vectors, Inner, which keeps the border inside the shape and can be helpful for web-style layouts, or Outer, which places the stroke outside the path boundary. Choose the one that best fits the look you're going for, and your outline stroke will be set.